Good morning, children. Lesson number 4, multiplication. Worksheet number 5. We will discuss. Question is, in a construction project, 150 bags of cement are used in a day. How many bags are used from 1st April to 31st August? If the project is due to be completed by 31st December, how many more bags of cement are required? In this question, two answers is to be found. First, number of bags used from 1st April to 31st August, and number of bags are required till 31st December, means 1st April to 31st December, right? How we will find? Just have a look. Start with the statements. Number of bags of cement are used in a day is equal to 150. Next statement, total number of days from 1st April to 31st August. Month wise we have counted April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, and number of days are 153, total number of days. Now what is to be found? Total number of bags is equal to question mark, right? So 150 multiplied by 153, here you can see step by step multiplication, and our answer is 22,950 bags of cement are used. Our first answer is found. Next, now total number of bags required till 31st December is equal to question mark. One more thing is to be found, and for that also we will find first number of days from 1st April to 31st December. I have found like month wise, and it is 275 days, right? Now this 275 days we will multiply by 150 bags of cement used in a day, right? So 150 multiplied by 275, and here it is step by step multiplication, and our answer is 48,250. Last statement will be 48,250 bags of cement required till 31st December. Now we will discuss about mental math questions. Here Kyrie now gets rupees 297 per day. She gets rupees 4,455 for 15 working days. How much money will she earn in a month of 30 days? At times you can double or halve a product to find the product of another set of numbers. Here 297 she gets per day, right? And number of days are 15 is equal to, answer is 4,455. But simply if we are going to find the amount she paid in a 30 days, so we will double the days. Here number of days are 15, and 15 you can see 15 is a half of 30, so product of 297 multiplied by 15, half of the product of 297 and 30. Therefore to find the product of 297 and 30, we can double 4,455, which gives 8,910. Simply students, it is a topic of doubling and halving. Here number of days 15, and double of 15 is 30. So to find that answer we will multiply by 2. This answer will be multiplied by 2, and answer is 8,910. So Kyrie will earn rupees 8,910 in a month of 30 days. Means 297 multiplied by 30, answer will be 8,910 of 30 days. The product gets doubled if any number in a multiplication sentence is doubled. For example, here 30 days, if we want to find the product of 60, so we will double this amount by 2, means we will multiply this number by 2 and we will find the answer like this. 297 multiplied by 60, so 17,820. Here you are given, here since 60 is double of 30, the product is double the product of 297 multiplied by 30, means this product we will multiply by 2 and we will get the answer of this multiplication. It is 17,820. Now observe the solved multiplication sentences given below and find the products of the other related multiplication problems. Here students, it's a very funny and interesting multiplication you are given. It is very easy and we will love to learn this. 26 multiplied by 12, right? If we are multiplying this number, our answer will be 312. Now based of this multiplication and this product, we can find different answer by doubling and halving. Here you can see 26 multiplied by 24. Here 26 is a common number, but 12 and 24 means 24 is a double of 12, means the product of this multiplication will be multiplied by 2, so our answer will be 624. Either you can multiply this number and find answer this, or you can multiply the product of this multiplication by 2 and we will find the answer same. Here 52 multiplied by 12. Here 12 is a common number, but 52 is a double of 26. It means if you are multiplying this number by 2, you will find the product same as if you are multiplying this two number, and both the way you will find the same answer, same product. Here also you can see 13 multiplied by 12. Kids, here you can see 12 is a common number, but 13 is a half of 26. It means if you are dividing this number by 2, you will get this number, or you are multiplying these two numbers, the answer will be same. Next, 26 multiplied by 120. It means the 26 multiplied by 12, the which product we are getting, we will add 1 0 and that will be our answer. Either you are multiplying this number or you are multiplying this number by 10, it will be our answer will be same. Here 260 multiplied by 12 is equal to 3120. How? Simply this two number will be multiplied, answer is 312, and if we are putting 1 0 over here, so in the product also we are putting 1 0 and answer will be 3120. Now last one, 26 multiplied by 6. Here you can see 26 is a common number, but 6 is a 12, means this product we will divide by 2, so we will get answer 156. Either you are multiplying this two number, you will get 156, or this product is divided by 2, so answer will be same because 6 is a half of 12. I hope this is clear to you. Same way you can do rest of the questions, which I will send you by WhatsApp. I will click the pictures and I will send it to you, and next video we will start our new lesson, which is fractions. Thank you and have a nice day.